Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When the time comes to pay the sales tax, you must use the Pay Sales Tax window to write a check to the tax agency or agencies. You open the Pay Sales Tax window by selecting Vendors, then Sales Tax, then Pay Sales Tax from the menu bar. In the Pay Sales Tax window, use the Pay from Account drop-down to select the bank account to use for the sales tax payments. Enter the date to print on the payment checks into the Check Date field. You can use the Show Sales Tax Due Through Calendar selector to choose the date through which you need to pay the sales tax you have collected. If the check is to be printed, check the To Be Printed checkbox at the bottom of this window. Otherwise, you can uncheck the box and enter the starting check number of the checks to print into the Starting Check Number field. The list of taxing agencies to whom you owe tax will be displayed in the Pay Sales Tax window. You can select the agencies to pay by clicking into the Pay column to the left of the agencies you need to pay. Once you have your selections made, click the OK button to have QuickBooks automatically create the tax payment checks. QuickBooks also updates the sales tax report and sales tax payable register to show the payment. Note that you must pay your sales tax using this method for QuickBooks to accurately update the sales tax information for each taxing authority. Do not simply write a normal check using the Write Checks window for the amount due and then attribute it to the sales tax payable account. Doing that will disrupt the way in which QuickBooks tracks the individual amounts collected and paid for each sales tax authority. To adjust the amount of sales tax due to an authority that is shown within the Pay Sales Tax window, select the sales tax entry to adjust within this window, and then click the Adjust button within the Pay Sales Tax window. That will open the Sales Tax Adjustment window, where you can enter a date for the adjustment into the Adjustment Date field. Then enter a number for the adjustment entry into the Entry Number field. Select the sales tax vendor whose amounts you need to adjust by selecting their name from the Sales Tax Vendor drop-down. Select the account used to track the adjustment from the Adjustment Account drop-down. Then in the Adjustment section, select either the Increase Sales Tax By or Reduce Sales Tax By option button as appropriate. Then enter the amount of the adjustment into the adjacent Amount field. To then add the adjustment back into the Pay Sales Tax window so that you can select it for payment along with the original entry for the taxing authority, simply click the OK button. Then be sure to select both the original entry and the adjustment that you created within the Pay Sales Tax window, and then click the OK button to automatically create the sales tax payment check for the modified amount.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.